Good morning, children. Today, part 9 of States of Matter. Children, we have read about ideal gases and real gases. What I told you, what are ideal gases? They obey all the gas laws at different conditions. And what is the ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. But the gases actually which are present, they are real gases. So what is the behavior of real gases? What are their deviations from ideal gas behavior? This we will read. PV is equal to nRT, we know it is ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Right? So at constant temperature, a graph was plotted. PV versus P. PV versus P. This is the graph of plot of PV versus P for real gases and ideal gases. ठीक है, तो तुम्हें पता है PV इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टेंट कब आता है बॉयल्स लॉ में. अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉयल्स लॉ PV इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टेंट, देन PV इज इक्वल टू K अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉयल्स लॉ. ओके, सो व्हाट इज देयर, इधर PV ले लिया x एक्सिस पे एंड y एक्सिस P इज टेकन. So PV versus P graph is plotted. If PV is constant, so for ideal gases, what will happen? The graph will be a straight line at constant temperature. Here should I write at constant temperature? At constant temperature. So the graph of an ideal gas will be a straight line. But what exactly happens, you see? If you observe the graph of H2 and helium, what is this? They both are above the straight line. That means they are showing positive deviation. Deviation मतलब क्या? हमें जो भी उनका पाथ है उससे वो deviate होते हैं either down or up. That is known as deviation. If it is down, it is known as negative deviation. If it is above, then it is known as positive deviation. And what about the graph of carbon monoxide and methane? You see, first carbon monoxide graph, first it is going down the straight line, okay, and then it is showing positive deviation. It is not a straight line. That means it is a real gases which deviates first in negative direction, negative deviation is there, and then positive deviation. Similarly with methane, first it is showing the negative deviation and then it is going for the positive deviation. That means real gases are different from ideal gases. Okay. Now what I have written, you see, at constant temperature PV will be constant by Boyle's law. We have written also PV is equal to constant. तभी तो फॉर्मूला आया था ना P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. And at all pressures, ये प्रेशर की डिफरेंट वैल्यू है, and at all pressures PV versus P graph will be a straight line. Correct? Deviation is observed, negative deviation ऊपर हो तो positive deviation. So deviation is observed. Then comes for hydrogen and helium, as the pressure increases, the value of PV also increases. As the pressure increases for hydrogen and helium, the value of PV is also increases. Then for carbon monoxide and methane, first negative deviation as I showed you in the graph, and then the PV value starts increasing, then positive direction. But so this is the behavior of the real gases. Then comes same चीज़ को दूसरा ग्राफ प्लॉट किया. That means real gases do not follow ideal gas equation. Understood? वो deviate होते हैं. Similarly a graph was drawn between pressure and volume. ठीक है. So plot of pressure versus volume for real gases and ideal gases. If you see, this is the graph for ideal gases. ऐसा होना चाहिए था graph. But real gases deviate हो रही हैं. Real gases are deviating from their path. So this is the original behavior of real gases. And so the question can be arised that why do gases deviate from the ideal behavior? तो इसका रीज़न क्या है बेटा कि बिकॉज द गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल्स आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड देयर साइज इज ऑल्सो नेग्लिजिबल. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस अंडर विच गैसेस डेविएट फ्रॉम आइडियल गैसेस या आइडियलिटी? So answers for assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. Saturday we had read assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. First assumption was there is no force of attraction between the molecules of a gas. एकदम ट्रू नहीं है ये बात भी. तुम ध्यान से सोचो तो आखिर तो गैसेज आर लिक्विफाइड. इफ वी आर अप्लाइंग प्रेशर देन गैसेज आर लिक्विफाइड. सो इट इज़ नॉट 100% ट्रू. Volume of the molecules of a gas is negligibly small in comparison to the space occupied by the gases. So volume is negligible, that is true. Then real gases show deviations from the ideal gas law because molecules interact with each other. क्यों शो करते हैं ऐसा वो? Because molecules interact with each other. एट हाई प्रेशर अगर बहुत ज़्यादा कर दे तो गैसेज लिक्विफाई बट दे नेवर बिकम सॉलिड. एट हाई प्रेशर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ गैसेज आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. एट हाई प्रेशर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ गैसेज डू नॉट स्ट्राइक ओनली द वॉल्स ऑफ द कंटेनर विथ फुल इम्पैक्ट. एक सपोज करो कि एक कंटेनर है ऐसा, ठीक है, क्लोज्ड लिड, ओके. तो इसमें गैसेज हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन, दे विल स्ट्राइक like this. But what happens बेटा एक्चुअली कि जितना उनको एक प्रेशर एग्जर्ट करना चाहिए वॉल पर, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. फुल इम्पैक्ट नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर ड्रैग्ड बैक बाई अनदर मॉलिक्यूल्स ड्यू टू मॉलिक्यूलर अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेज. दिस मॉलिक्यूल विल ड्रैग अनदर गैस, सो दे आर ड्रैग्ड बैक. ओके, सो जो ओरिजिनल प्रेशर होना चाहिए दैट इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट. यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस अगेन. At high pressure, molecules of gases do not strike the walls of the container with full impact because they are dragged back by another molecules due to molecular attractive forces. Therefore, pressure exerted by the gas is lower than the pressure exerted by the ideal gas. जितना प्रेशर होना चाहिए था आइडियल गैस का उससे लोअर है प्रेशर प्रैक्टिकल कंडीशन में. when they are in a container, they do not exert pressure in the full impact. So one equation is derived that is known as pressure. Ideal pressure is given by real pressure plus एक correction figure उसमें ऐड किया, an square upon v square. P real जो real गैस का प्रेशर है plus an square upon v square. So till today tomorrow I will make you understand what is this correction term and what are the things explained in this formula. That is P ideal is equal to P real plus an square upon v square. Then we will put this on PV is equal to nRT. Okay.